everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to get the peppermint rod skin and fish it. The peppermint rod skin is reward from the Christmas Battle Pass event. This one, golden peppermint. And to unlock this rod skin you need to collect a certain amount of candy canes. And you can get the candy canes by completing daily quests during the Christmas event. Make sure you log in every day and finish all the quests to collect them faster. And once you have collected enough candy canes, the peppermint rod skin will be unlocked automatically in the battle pass rewards. And this is how the peppermint rod skin look. This one. It has looked like this. And when you use it for fishing, it will look like this. Like this. It looks elegant, clean, and super cool. And okay, that's how you can get the golden peppermint rod skin and fish it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!